Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials. In that topic name is division algorithm for polynomials. What Nana? Division algorithm for polynomials. We discussed division algorithm in previous classes, but now we are going to apply again for polynomials. We know, for example, if we divide a number with another number. Yes or no? For example, what I am doing here, 25 is divide 25 by 3. We know 25 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. I am dividing 25 with 3. So then what happens, see here, 3 8s are 24, remainder is 1. 25 minus 24, that is 1. We know this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay, so dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now so dividend what Nana, that is 25 is equals to divisor means this is the dividend and this is the divisor. 3 into quotient means that is 8 plus remainder means that is 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 means 24 plus 1 25. So again we get like this one. Yes. Now what I am doing here, again the same concept we are going to apply for the polynomials. If p of x is a polynomial, p of x and g of x, if p of x and g of x are polynomials, clearly g of x is not equals to 0. Okay, p of x and g of x are polynomials, g of x is not equals to 0. We can find other polynomials. That are q of x and r of x. Okay, so if we divide a polynomial p of x with another polynomial g of x, we can find q is quotient q of x and the remainder r of x. Okay, na? So we can write p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this is the division algorithm for polynomials. P of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So now I am going to explain this concept by taking one example. Let us go for the exercise. That is exercise 3.4. The given polynomial. Chapter 3, exercise 3.4. In that first question, p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equals to, that is x square minus 2. Okay, students, what are the given two polynomials? That are p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equals to x square minus 2. Now p of x is the dividend and g of x is a divisor. Now I am going to divide this polynomial with this one. You just follow what I am doing on the board. writing dividend here, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and the divisor what? That is x square minus 2. Now see, what is the highest degree term in this dividend? The dividend lo highest degree term enti? That is x cube. This one we should divide with the highest degree term in divisor. Divisor lo highest degree term enti? That is x square. X square x cube cancel means what nana? That is x. Ikkada x untundi. This one you write in the place of quotient, and you multiply the divisor with x, ante x of x square minus 2. Now x into x square we get, that is x cube, minus x into 2, that is x into minus 2 minus 2x. You write this one here, that is x cube, ikkada minus 2x undi, deen kinda rasayandi minus 2x. Now by changing the signs, this is plus x cube means, by changing the signs we can write it as minus x cube. Here minus x means minus 2x means, by changing the signs it becomes plus 2x. Now plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Here minus 3x square is there. Here plus 5x. Here plus 2x. Plus 5 plus 2, that is plus 7x minus 3. Okay. Now in this, what is the highest degree term in this? That is minus 3x square. Okay. We should divide this one with what nana? Highest degree term what here? That is x square. In this highest degree term, that is minus 3x square, I am dividing with what is the highest degree term in divisor? That is x square. X square cancel means we get here minus 3. I am writing minus 3 here, and again you multiply the divisor, that is x square minus 2, with minus 3, means that is minus 3 into x square minus 2. Now we get a minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, minus of minus, that is plus 3 2 jar what? 6. I am writing this one here, that is minus 3x square plus 6. Minus 3x square, here plus 6 means constant term kinda number was constant term. By changing the sign, minus 3x square it becomes plus 3x square, plus 6x plus 6 it becomes minus 6. Now clearly minus 3x square plus 3x square cancel. Here 7x is there. Minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6 what? That is minus 9. You just observe what we get the remainder. We cannot move further. Ikkada mana division anadi inga possible avadu ikkada. Because enduku? The reason is we get the remainder is 7x minus 9. What is the degree of the remainder? Ikkada degree of a remainder enti? 7x minus 9. Ikkada the degree of the remainder is 1. Ante idi linear polynomial kada. Dini degree emundi ikkada 1. Okay. What is the degree of a divisor? The degree of a divisor what? 2. Would have a condition when the degree of a remainder is less than the degree of a divisor, you just stop the division. Remainder degree divisor degree కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే డివిజన్ ని స్టాప్ చేసేయండి. ఓకేనా? ఫర్దర్ మనకి పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. సో క్లియర్లీ ద degree of a remainder is 1, the degree of a remainder is 2, then you just stop the division. So we get the quotient is x minus 3 and the remainder is 7x minus 9. Okay, I divided a polynomial p of x with another polynomial g of x what we find? We find it a quotient x minus 3 and a remainder 7x minus 9. Let us verify the division algorithm. Division algorithm for polynomials. Adi verify cheyta. Just now what I said, what is the division algorithm? That is p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this is the division algorithm for polynomials. P of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. P of x means what? What is the polynomial? That is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. That is equals to g of x means what, Nana? That is divisor. X square minus 2 into, that is q of x. The quotient is, we get quotient is q of x. Okay, that is x minus 3 plus remainder r of x. That is what we get remainder? That is 7x minus 9. Okay, now you just observe here what I am doing. This is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. I am multiplying with x square, complete this x minus 3. The expression ni x square toti multiply chestunna. X square into x what ra? That is x cube. X square into x, that is x cube, minus x square into 3, that is 3x square. Means x square into minus 3, that is minus 3x square. Again with minus 2, I am multiplying complete this expression. Minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. Minus of minus, that is plus 2 3 are 6. Okay, as usually the plus 7x minus 9. Now x cube means x cube only. Minus 3x square means minus 3x square. Here minus 2x is there. Here plus 7x is there. Okay, minus 2x plus 7x. Minus 2 plus 7 means that is plus 5x. Here plus 6 is there. Here minus 9 is there. Plus 6 minus 9 what? That is minus 3. So we get the polynomial p of x వచ్చేసిందా? x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So like this we can verify the division algorithm for polynomials. Okay.